Hi everyone, welcome to the Drive for Success YouTube channel. This channel is the #1 go-to place for tips on how to best manage your time as you pursue and deliver your entrepreneurial goals. It's very important that you pursue your goals with zeal and passion. Once again, welcome to Drive for Success. Please click on the red button at the right hand side. Do subscribe, as we intend to upload on a weekly basis. Once more, welcome to Drive for Success. Today, I want to talk to you about 5 tips that will take your business to the next level. It will take your business basically from where it is right now to where you want it to be. Tip number 1, define and write down your entrepreneurial goals. By doing this, it makes it very clear in your mind. It gives clarity with regards to what you want to do. Tip number 2, break those goals down into piecemeal activities and tasks. For example, I'll just talk about, for example, a website. When you need to set up your website, you will have to decide on a domain name. You will have to register the domain name. You will have to research your content. You will have to write up your content. You will most likely have to seek the advice of a website designer or developer, or you may have to actually employ their services. You have to decide on images, pictures, videos that you would like to embed within your website. And this is what sometimes makes it quite overwhelming. But this is why it's important that you break your goals down into piecemeal activities and tasks. Number 3, once you've broken them down, you may have a list of about 10, 20 piecemeal activities and tasks. You now need to decide, can you realistically deliver 4 or 5 of those today? Can you do 4 or 5 today? And you just make a selection with regards to what it is that you want to do today. Once again, please do subscribe to the Drive for Success YouTube channel. Click the red button on the right hand side. Moving on to number 4, you then now need to focus on delivering those 4 piecemeal activities. What time are you going to set aside to make sure that you get those done? Focus, focus, focus. Setting time aside to make sure that you achieve those 4 or 5 piecemeal activities, so that at the end of the day, you can tick them off the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Moving on to number 5, very, very important, to maintain a positive outlook. As you work on your piecemeal activities and tasks, positive outlook, can-do attitude, positive mindset. Very, very important. I would like to open up a challenge today, and my question to you is, what do you do? How do you utilize your 24 hours a day? I would like you to please like this channel, post your comments as well, and do subscribe. I want to engage with you, and I would like to know what you do with your 24 hours. I would definitely be sharing what I do with mine, and I will be uploading on a weekly basis. Thank you, take care, and stay safe. And once again, welcome to Drive for Success YouTube channel. See you next week.